Today we're pulling back the curtain on something most people don't think about before moving to Mexico. It isn't glamorous, it isn't Instagram worthy, but it's real life. This morning, Francisco is heading to our local hardware store to pick up replacement water filters and a UV bulb for our home filtration system. It's something that we do once a year, and it's a perfect example of the hidden maintenance that comes with owning or even renting long-term in Mexico. If you've ever wondered what day-to-day home ownership looks like here beyond sunsets and rooftop views, this is it. We're going to show you how water systems work in many Mexican homes, what things to check before buying or signing a lease, and a few surprises that foreigners aren't prepared for. Let's head out with Francisco now, and then we'll see you back here to break down what all of this means for life in Mexico.
Good morning from an unusually overcast fall morning here in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. It's about a week before the official kickoff to winter, and it's about that time again where we have to replace our house water filtration system filters. And so this morning I'm on my way to our go-to hardware store called Don Pedro. They've been here since before we moved here, which now is more than 17 years ago. So come along and enjoy the ride.
Now, if you're coming from the US or Canada, you're probably used to just turning on the tap and trusting that the water comes out clean and potable. In Mexico, things work differently. Most homes rely on cisterns below ground and storage tanks on the roof. Water travels between these with pumps and or gravity, and along the way, homeowners often add filtration and UV systems to ensure safe, clean water.
This is the kind of thing most people don't even think about or realize they have to do when living in Mexico long term. Whether you're owning a home or renting, you're going to have to get the filtration system filters replaced once every 12 months. And you'll definitely have to do it on your own if you are the homeowner. And you may or may not be lucky enough to get a landlord that is willing to keep those filters replaced once a year. But the fact of the matter is most landlords don't do that kind of stuff, and if you want fresh filters, you're going to have to take care of that stuff yourself.
And that's one of the reasons why we wanted to make this video. You don't want to assume someone else is maintaining it. If water systems don't get routine service, sediment builds up, pressure drops, and contamination risks increase.
Here we're pulling into the Don Pedro parking lot now. Most parking lots in Mexico have a parking lot attendant that's really there to keep an eye out for your vehicles, and most of the time they're not hired by the company. They usually just kind of do it as independent contractors and rely on your tips. You'll see them in supermarkets, here at the hardware store, and they're really there to keep an eye out for your car. So don't forget to give them a couple pesos tip when you leave.
That tipping rhythm is part of everyday life here. Nothing formal, but it's built into the local culture. Small acts of support that make the system work.
All right, let's go into the store and check out what they have.
Before Francisco heads inside, we wanted to take a quick moment to welcome another couple who recently joined our March Discovery Week. Shout out to Adriana and Mark. We're so excited to meet you here in San Miguel.
And if you couldn't make March, we're now hosting a second Discovery Week in July. That one is starting to fill up too, and we love seeing these groups form even before they arrive.
All right, let's head into Don Pedro and check out the filters.
Here in San Miguel de Allende, we have the municipal water piped into our house, and we have cisterns underground, and we also have tanks on the roof. The water comes in relatively clean. In other parts of Mexico, the water is trucked in.
Buenos días. Los filtros, estos filtros los tienen aquí, ¿verdad?
Sí, sería cuando una la siguiente sección atraviesa toda la tienda,
Sí.
los pasillos de su lado derecho.
Muchas gracias.
And you don't really know what kind of water you're getting.
That's why experiences vary so much across Mexico. Some neighborhoods have clean, stable municipal water. Others rely on truck delivery. So filtration needs depend on where you live. And when renting, always ask how the home receives water. Water filtration exists. Who maintains it? And when was the last time the system was maintained?
All right, so the first part we enter is the light section. You've got endless varieties of lights that you can choose from. But I'm going to the end of the store here. So it's always good to have a filtration system installed. Now in our case, the water that we get is relatively clean, but it still has a little bit of particulates and impurities. So it's always a good idea to run that water through a filtration system. This really is a full service hardware store. Think Home Depot back in the States or in other parts of Mexico in the bigger cities. We don't need a Home Depot when we have Don Pedro. And then we also have a UV light tube where all the water runs through to kill any possible living organisms that might be in the water. So by the time it comes out of our taps, it's perfectly clean. We use it to brush our teeth. Some people use it for cooking. We don't. We still buy bottled water for that kind of thing. There's always somebody that can help you in case you don't know what you're getting. That's what I'm doing right now, is looking for somebody to give me a hand with these things. It's also a really good idea to get these filters maintained because you don't want sediment buildup in pipes. A lot of times that's what's going to happen is the pipes just over time develop a layer of sedimentation, and it's going to really affect the flow of the water that's coming out of your taps. You know what I forgot to do is to get a shopping cart, so I'm going to go do that first and come back and get some help. Living abroad really means adapting to the local conditions, and it's not going to be like home. You really have to see what's going on where you are and adapt to those conditions. And one of them here is having guaranteed clean water coming out of your tap. And you can't rely on the municipality to do that. You can't rely on the water companies that truck your water in. You have to filter your water yourself in order to ensure clean water.
¿Y en las dos casas es la misma lámpara?
Sí.
Ok, pues déjame pegar.
Gracias. And that's how you do it. So now we're going to go pick up the UV lights and be on our way. Our system has 3 filters. I always forget the official names, but they do have 3 filters. One is a sediment filter that catches sand and dirt. The second one is a carbon filter that improves taste and odor. And then the third one is a fine particulate filter that polishes the water. And then we have the UV light that kills the microorganisms, and all that stuff needs yearly maintenance. Now you might wonder why, if you still see the UV light on, it just doesn't work as efficiently if you don't replace it once a year. When you buy these filter replacements and you buy the UV light, they will check in store whether or not the lights are working so that you know that you're getting a functional light, and they don't accept refunds. So once you walk out of the store, if you drop it, it's on you and there's no way you can get it replaced. They may do that because people were probably trying to replace the old units and return them to the store for an exchange. But now what they do is they test it for you in front of you. You see the light turn on, you say yes, you accept, and then you walk out with the bulb, and that's it. No refunds there. And this is really a typical setup for most homes in Mexico. Now, some have much more advanced water filtration systems that include a water softening system and further filters, UV filters. And some homes don't have filtration system at all. So it runs the gamut. And if you're renting, you really have to know what type of water is coming out of your taps. Not so bad. $250 approximately. You gotta do that once a year. Now you can install these yourself. We work with a plumber, and it works out much better because he's the expert and he knows how fragile these things are. And it really isn't that much more to pay a plumber to do it. So he's charging us 1,800 pesos to install two units.
UV lights and filters aren't expensive by US standards, but they're not free either. As Francisco mentioned, we pay $250 for replacements, and installation is very delicate. We hire a plumber. It's about 1,800 pesos to install both sets of filters. Worth it to avoid breaking the bulb or the filter housing. You can safely budget an additional $50 to have a plumber replace the filters for your home.
Not so fast. A week after we installed the new filters, one of the UV lights went out. So I had to come back to Don Pedro, and the damage to replace that, one piece alone is 3,062 pesos. So that at today's exchange rate is another $175. So that's just another little joy of home ownership or living abroad that we have to all contend with. So little things like this tend to add up.
Before we wrap, we want to show you something that really surprised us this year when we changed our filters. Take a look at these 2 sets of filters. The brown ones are the filters from our home, and on the right are the ones from the B&B. You can see how much darker and dirtier the house filters are, even though both systems use the same cartridges and get replaced annually. This year, the difference was dramatic. And this is a great example of something people don't realize. Water quality can vary not just by city, but literally from one house to another.
Same town, same schedule, same brand filters, completely different results. If we hadn't opened them up and looked inside the housings, we never would have known just how much sediment was collecting here at home. And that buildup isn't just cosmetic. Over time, it affects water pressure, stresses pumps, and can even clog household plumbing.
So if you're renting or buying in Mexico, don't assume clean water just because it looks clear coming out of the tap. The filters tell a story. Always ask when filters were last changed, and if possible, ask to see the used ones. It's an easy visual way to understand what kind of water you'll actually be living with.
So what can you take away from today? Living in Mexico means adapting to local systems. Clean water is totally possible and convenient, but you're responsible for maintaining it.
Before buying or renting, ask about water systems, filtration, tank conditions, and maintenance history. It's better to know upfront. And if you would like personalized help planning your move, we offer one-on-one consultations based on your timeline and budget.
And of course, if you're visiting San Miguel, come stay with us at Antigua Capilla B&B.
Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.
Bye.